Have you ever compared a quote from a client for cabinets for 15 grand and wonder how you're supposed to make any money on that? Let's fix that. At GW Eurocase.com, we build modern style cabinets with CNC precision, Italian product, soft close, everything, clean lines, high tolerances. It's the kind of high end quality your clients want without the overhead. The national average for this level of cabinetry is between $850 and $1,200 per cabinet installed. That's 25 to 30 grand for a 25 cabinet job. Using the online store, we're about 30% less. Why? So you can make the margin. The need for you to be in the shop cutting out your boxes is over. We've already invested in the tech, the tooling, the team. You just log in, order online, and let us do the dirty work. Use us to get time back, close more jobs, and finally charge for what you're worth without giving up quality. Time to take your shop back. Maybe even pull your car in again. We've got the cabinet building covered. Change the way you work, change the way you live. GWEurocase.com, where excellence is standard.